Did you know approximately every 30 seconds a home in the United States experiences a plumbing flood? Did you also know damage from plumbing leaks are preventable? Home Flood Prevention of La Quinta can ensure you peace of mind with their WaterCop automatic water shutoff system. When a leak occurs, the WaterCop system immediately shuts off the water supply to your home, preventing the possibility of flooding. This is all done through wireless sensors. Don't gamble with your home. Install a WaterCop system today. Contact Home Flood Prevention at 760-564-8840 or visit us at www.homefloodprevention.biz.